Radhe Radhe. It is said that when one performs devotional service in Sri Vrindavan Dham, the result is 100 times more than if this service is performed somewhere else in the world. And also the same goes for sinful activities. If we perform sinful activities in the holy Dham, then also the sinful reactions are 100 times more strong. Whenever I come here to Sri Vrindavan Dham, I try to do any kind of service as much as I can. And also cooking for Krishna we know also is a service. And I would like to show a day in my life in Vrindavan when I don't visit temples. So cooking in the Dham can be challenging, but it is very, very blissful, believe me. From the moment I leave the house to go to the lady who sells sabji across the street, until the moment I offer to Giriraj is just pure bliss, and I love it. I buy the sabji, and around me, Brijvasis, they are buying also sabjis, and also Adriskon devotees. I know they will go home and cook for their Giriraj or their deities. The sound of the pressure cookers, everything is indication that here in the Dham, everything is done, every activity is done for the pleasure of the Lord. And this is so super inspiring. It just fills my heart with so much love and gratitude. Gratitude to Srila Prabhupada, because if he hadn't gone to the West to preach Krishna consciousness, I would have been now rotting somewhere in the West, being frustrated or something. But Krishna consciousness is pure bliss, and all of you who can live permanently here in Vrindavan or even in Bharatma and can come from time to time and visit this holy place, you are all very truly blessed. And please, my humble obeisances to all of you, and please pray for me that I can also spend the rest of my life here in Sri Vrindavan Dham, that one day I can come and serve Thakurji here. So please come and cook with me, see how a day of my life in Vrindavan goes. I also invited a friend of mine. She's from Holland. She stays for longer periods of time here in Vrindavan, so I invited her for lunch. And I'm very happy. I'm very happy to cook for devotees. In this time I serve them, they are happy, I'm happy.
Krishna Govinda, Govinda, Gopalanandala. Krishna Govinda, Govinda, Gopalanandala. Krishna Govinda, Govinda, Gopalanandala. Krishna Govinda, Govinda, Gopalanandala.
I find this little pot for making chons extremely cute, or tatka, I think you call it in some places in India. And also finally pure desi ghee, not this Swiss ghee, I didn't like it, so I'm very happy now to cook for Giriraj with pure ghee. So when the mustard seeds start to crack, then I add cumin, and I will not make too spicy. I have a friend who is coming and she's also not feeling well, and I was a little bit with upset stomach. So I'm just gonna make very simple chunks. now it's time for the sabji, again in pure desi ghee. I'm so happy. And the sabji is aloo gobi and a little bit broccoli I found. And I will just make very simple chons. I'm using just cumin, ginger, and tiny bit of pure hing. I have here like pure hing. So happy and so grateful to Srimati Radharani that she let me stay here for a short while, but still every day, every minute, every second in Vrindavan is so precious. And when I lived here, somehow, with the time it becomes like normal thing, like okay, I'm here in Vrindavan. But when you come to visit for a short while, then the gratitude is much deeper and is much stronger, and this is how I feel. Sorry, because I know I have to leave in 1 week back, and then I'm like, oh no. So all of you who live here in Vrindavan or who live in Bharat and are able to come often here, just know that you are extremely blessed. Radhe Radhe. Whatever we cook, we don't cook for our pleasure, but we cook for the pleasure of the Lord. So that's why it is very important that we cook in clean consciousness, mind and body, and then offer to Krishna, and after we accept the remnants. Radhe Radhe.